How's it going, my brothers and sisters? My name is Yeepy, Yalahda, and today, for my new beginners and the people who lost their way, today, we're going to perform Wudu. We're going to perform Wudu. But before we get started, when you're performing Wudu and or Wudu, you have to make the intentions pure in your heart to properly clean yourself. Let's begin.
So here, first thing first, you want to rinse your mouth 3 times. Next, you want to clean your nose by inhaling and exhaling 3 times as well. Next, you want to rinse your face 3 times. Get your forehead, your cheeks, your nose, your whole face with the palm of your hands. And then you want to rinse and wash each arm from your wrist to your forearm 3 times, starting with your right arm first. In Islam, we always start with our right hand or side first. With the palm of water, you want to rinse your whole face back to your neck. From your scalp to your head, you want to put your index finger in your ears and your thumbs on the outside, cleaning every part. Last, to complete your wudu, you want to clean your right foot and your left foot 3 times, and taking your pinky to get in between each toes to get all the little things that could be stuck in there. Again, you want to be clean and pure. Comes time to pray to Allah. And once you completed your wudu, you want to go into ghusl. And what ghusl is, it's a full body clean. You want to start with your right side, cleaning from your top of your head all the way down to your feet 3 times each side. As you can see in this demonstration, it's right side and then it's left side. And once that's completed, congratulations, my brothers and sisters. You have completed wudu and or ghusl. Assalamu alaikum, my brothers and sisters.
There you go, everyone. That's how you complete wudu and or ghusl. Now you're able to go to the prayer mat, clean, pure, and ready to pray.